Now from this option, I'll click on create company to create a new company. And let's select the company name. This company creation screen appears. So the company name is Zan Traders. Mailing name is also the same. And this is just an example I'm using. So if you have physical address for your business, you can mention it here. Here it mentions the state. If you have the further information about the state, you can mention here. Country is Pakistan. All the other details, you can fill it according to your company requirements. And it is very simple. So just skip all of this, press tab, and base currency symbol is rupees. Formal name is Pakistani rupees. And the financial year beginning from, I'll say 1st of January 2022. And books beginning from also will be 2022, 1st of January 2022. So afterwards, if you want to accept, press Ctrl A and it will be accepted. And the company is created successfully. It shows the prompt. And these are some of the details about the company. Now here it says show more features. So you can turn on more features if you want to. I'll just click on it and click on yes. So you can see that a lot of features appear here, which you can configure according to your company requirements. Now, if you want to show more features, you can turn on yes for this as well. So you can see there is a lot of options related to accounting, inventory, payroll, others, and online access. So we can learn more about these features later on, but for now I'll keep the settings as it is and press Ctrl A to accept. Now you can see all the details appear here. 1st of January 2022 to 31st December 2022 is our financial year. And the company name is Zan Traders. No vouchers is entered until now. And the current date is 1st of January 2022. Now if you want or feel that you want to change the company name or any other further details, you can directly go to the company area and click on alter. So it will take you here where you can adjust the details. For example, if I want to write Zan Traders Private Limited, so I can write that and press Ctrl A. All the information will be saved again. And this way you can update the company details. So let's say whenever we know the further information like PIN code, telephone number, mobile phone, we can always enter later on. You can also press double escape to get out of this area. So that's how we can create the company and alter the information whenever we want.